In this video, I'll guide you through how to search worldwide jobs on Indeed, whether you're thinking about relocating, exploring remote roles, or just curious about opportunities in other countries. I'll walk you through a simple way to look beyond your local job market and see what's available around the world. Let's start from the Indeed home dashboard. This is the main page you see when you first visit the site. At the top of the page, you'll usually notice two main fields side by side, one for what you're looking for and one for where you want to work. In the first field, the one labeled something like what, go ahead and type the job title you're interested in. For example, you might enter software engineer, marketing manager, graphic designer, or any other role that fits your skills and experience. You can also use broader terms if you're flexible, like customer service or administrative assistant. The more specific your job title, the more targeted your results will be. But don't worry if you're not completely sure yet, you can always refine it later. Once you've entered your job title, move over to the location field, usually labeled where. By default, this might show your current city, region, or country. To search for jobs worldwide, you'll want to change this. Click into that location box, clear whatever is there, and start typing the name of another country where you'd like to find work. For instance, you could type Canada, Germany, United Arab Emirates, or any other country you're considering. As you type, Indeed often suggests locations. You can select a suggested country from the list, or simply finish typing the country name yourself. If you're open to multiple locations, you can repeat this process later with different countries to compare what's available. For some users and regions, you might also see options related to remote work. In that case, you can still choose a country while keeping an eye out for roles that allow remote or hybrid arrangements. After you've typed your job title and chosen your target country, start the search. Indeed will load a new page showing job listings that match your role in the country you selected. This is where you can really begin exploring global opportunities. Take a moment to scroll through the results. You'll see job titles, company names, locations within that country, and sometimes salary ranges and job types like full-time, part-time, or contract. You can click on any posting to view the full description, responsibilities, and qualifications. As you review them, pay attention to details such as language requirements, visa or work permit needs, and whether the employer offers relocation or remote options. If you find there are too many results or they're not exactly what you're looking for, you can adjust your search terms at the top of the page. Try slightly different job titles or narrow the location to a specific city within that country. You can repeat this process as many times as you like with different countries to build a clear picture of where your skills are most in demand. By typing your job title, choosing another country in the location field, and browsing through the results, you can quickly see global job opportunities and start planning your next career move beyond your current borders.